Hi there, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers. Thank you very much again for watching Window Cleaning Resource on YouTube. Today, come with me as we do a one-off first clean on these windows that are really dirty. So let's get that water-fed pole out and get all these frames and glass looking super duper.
Thanks for watching windowcleaner.com. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Okay then folks, I wanted you to check out this new way of filling up the backpack. This one here. So a big shout out to Darren Ansbro. This was kind of his brainchild, so we'll just walk you through what it is. So we've got, this is basically a rain butt that collects, I think it's 100 litres of water, and then we've got a pump that we got off at eBay for about £13 in there, which then goes down to here. We've got a battery in there from a backpack, and yeah, a little switch on there, and then a 20mm hose that runs all the way to the backpack. So it's much quicker at filling it up, which we'll show you. So the backpack is, yeah, pretty much empty. So let's switch on this. Boink! Let's check the flow. Yep, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, so that's it completely filled up. So we'll put that back in there. Screw that back on the bad boy. There we are, very nice. And we're also going to be using the Unger Hydro as well. We'll leave the links in the description below to the Unger Hydro. This is just a single cylinder unit. The water's quite soft here in Scotland. It's only about 40 or 50 ppm parts per million, so you know, we get away with just using the single tank DI vessel. And we're using the Tucker brush head as well. That's very nice. And yeah, I think we're ready to rock and roll, guys. So guys, yeah, we're going to use the backpack for any areas that we maybe don't have enough hose to reach with the Unger Hydro and the hoses that we've got attached to that. If there's any areas in the building that we can't reach, we've got the portable backpack unit on the trolley that we can use to get anywhere. And then we've got unlimited water from obviously the mains water supply on the house as well. So yeah, mainly use the Unger Hydro for big jobs like this house here that we're at. It's quite a large property, and it'll probably take about maybe 3 or 4 hours maybe to do first clean. But yeah, with the backpack it means any areas that I can't quite get to with the hose, I can get anywhere with the backpack. So enough yabber yabber, let's get back to work. This Tucker brush head is really awesome. I don't know how I lived without a swivel brush head before, but if there's any areas you can't quite get to standing in front of the window, this is nice and easy. So for like this area here where, you know, there's a little bit of a seat in the way, so I don't have to be directly in front of the window anymore. I can use the swivel on the brush head to turn and get right into the corner. Nice and easy. So if you guys are using a water fed pool, I highly advise getting something like the Tucker brush head with the swivel. It is awesome. Little tip guys, when you're doing your Velux windows is to angle the brush head a bit further down so that you're going to be rinsing all that dirt and grime off the Velux windows and not spraying the dirt up the window. So if you're doing things like that when you're doing Veluxes, just remember and angle the brush head more down towards the pole. And then for normal windows like that, you can angle the brush head back up again. slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, that is the one-off clean done. So the lady is delighted, so she's delighted, I'm delighted, it's all good. So we used the Tucker brush head there, a carbon fibre Gardner SLX 30 foot with the Unger Hydro water purification system, and just connected to the mains water supply, and did the whole job water-fed pole. Now there was a couple of bits, little paint spots here and there, and we used the Unger 6-inch Ninja razor blade to take those paint spots off. But everything else was done with the water-fed pole, and it came up beautifully. So thank you very much for tuning in, guys. Much appreciated. You've been watching Window Cleaning Resource on YouTube. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Be really much appreciated. And remember to check back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for upcoming videos. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Take care, be good, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching WindowCleaner.com on YouTube. If you liked the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure to check back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday so you don't miss a video. And if you tear up at just the thought of not having Tradman for a whole week, check out his channel, Tradman, on YouTube.